I was about to change the keycaps on my TVS Gold Bharat keyboard. I realized I'll make a quick video on the stabilizers on this keyboard. These metal pieces that you see, they are the stabilizers of the TVS keyboard. They are called the costar stabilizers. They are different from the cherry stabilizers that you see here. This is a cherry stabilizer. These metal pieces are called the costar stabilizers. They are a pain, so don't take out the keycaps for these stabilizers. The way you insert the keycap is the following way. So you see the plastic pieces here. So let us insert them. You can see that they have a cross mount. They are the same size as the cherry keycap here. So you insert them. Let me get it right. So you insert them. You can see there is a gap here. Similarly, you insert another one. So let's see. That's the way. I think I've inserted it wrong. So let me try to see if I can loosen this up. It looks like I've lost it. No harm done. I have plenty of them. So let's do this. It goes into this. Goes into this. Then raise the metal bar. Oh boy. There you have it. Now push it inside. There, it's done. Let me show you one more, the shift key. Let me put them here. Let me put it here. And as you can see, it's pretty difficult. Hence, don't remove the keycaps that have the stabilizers. Maybe I'll stop the recording and I'll fit all these. The worst is the enter keycap. You can see they have two metal pieces to be inserted. So never ever remove the enter key. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Then I'll tell you something interesting about the keycaps. Hey, I'm back. It took me 35 minutes to install all the keycaps. It took me around 20 minutes to just install these keycaps with the stabilizers. In the meantime, the dogs in my street have also slept. But let's forget about the dogs and talk about the keycaps. As you can see, they are very interesting keycaps. They have Devanagari support on them, these extra legends. I scavenged it of a dead TVS keyboard that I found in the market. I had gone to purchase some electronic items, and there this keyboard was lying on the floor, and then I looked at the keycaps. They looked very interesting. I bought the keyboard for 100 rupees and I scavenged the keycaps, and now as you can see they are on this TVS Gold Bharat keyboard. In my opinion, they look pretty cool here. I really feel that if we can get some dye sublimated keycaps with these Devanagari support, it will look awesome. Some of you may have seen these keycaps with Japanese or Korean characters along with the English alphabets. So it adds an extra layer of coolness to the keycaps, and I think this script on these keycaps looks great. Please let me know your opinion. With this, I'll say bye and I'll see you in the next video.